Alright people, it is like 8:30. They said it's supposed to snow about. Nah. And for your people that don't know, we're in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. So it don't snow here often. When it do, it's like a big deal. But it's a big deal that I don't like. I don't like snow. It's too much. It's too much. It hinders things. I like it to be 101. I'm a heat miser. So, whenever it do, we're going to get a little bit of something. Probably tomorrow we'll wake up, be a little bit on the ground, and we'll get a little bit of that. She can get one Sony camera. I had this Sony camera, because she don't like this camera. So I'm going to use this camera, give her the other one, and we'll just do our own little thing. Just like I told you. It's current like 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's see here. Damn it. I ain't gonna focus through this door. See if I can get some selfie stick shots. Let's see. God damn. Them damn neighbors can't help but drive in the snow. That little Audi gonna get stuck. Let y'all hear the big black monster crank up in the snow. One more. I think I need to go kick it in 4-wheel drive and go in the snow my damn self.
Hell, I can't see. Where you going? What is that? That damn tree look like something crazy.
All this shit gonna fall. These folks. this big pile on the window. If I could just stop hard and get it off without...
You should have just raked that off. You think you got these...
Got who?
You think you got snow tires, don't you?
I got any kind of tire. I'm in 4-wheel drive. Man, folks probably want you to come in that old nasty house.
Man, shut up.
You see that little nasty house on there and be like, ugh.
Hell, don't nobody know they house. You just get your ass on the road.
I can't see. You need to get out and get this stuff off. Let me get this stuff off here.
Don't get out and bust your ass.
I ain't getting all the way out. God damn.
He just had to get it off. Look at him, like he cold and shit.
Ugh. That hurt.
The one little pile kept you from seeing, huh?
That snow blast on there.
I'm like, what the hell is that red? What is that?
Stuff to keep the snow from sticking.
I guess.
Melt it.
Guess you were prepared for anything, huh? The one person said, it ain't go snow.
Of course I'm prepared. I should have dug my snow scraper off out, but I ain't think about it. So I looked out this morning and saw the shit on my window.
These folks in Mississippi are gonna have wrecks and shit. They supposed to have put
Man, they ain't
salt
coming
out
down no dang what you call this?
in the hood.
I shouldn't go down Hard Street cause
No, you shouldn't.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh damn!
Cause I know how these people be.
Y'all remember this? I heard that you got any kind of tires. I said, put your damn seatbelt on.
I do. I got any kind of tire. I can do it all. When they go out, I can go over here and rent me some tires at Rent and Roll. They opening up.
Let me see.
Opening soon, December 27th, a couple days after Christmas. Some people could have got them some rims for Christmas. Wonder.
It's like,
There you go.
anyway.
There you get off
there. Baby, I know you wear glasses.
Yeah, my brother wears glasses. I
Don't start
wear
that. Look at that big hunk of snow back there on that back window.
Oh, gee willikers. Look at the snow on the back window.
Such an ass at times.
Fire truck out.
I'm sure.
Ready to rescue some people out this junk. Shouldn't be out here driving.
That goes for you too.
That goes for me too, but look. I'm me.
Stop that. Now, then I gotta go back home and cook him breakfast.
They go to policeman
What
too.
kind of shit is that?
Like he dragging somebody up under the car.
Damn, how long is this light gonna last?
They could have been with if they were gonna go right.
Maybe she just decided to go that way. Look at them
Yeah,
cars.
they even got the school. They look at it, the transit bus even out.
Where is it at?
To your left. They know this stuff ain't supposed to be out in Mississippi doing this.
Oh, there it is. Some people still gotta go to work.
See if I can flow it and do a donut.
You better not. Stop that shit, boy. Oh, God.
Park.
Yeah.
Them animals probably don't know what's going on. See if I can catch the policeman. Oh, I can't. I'm out of control.
You better stop.
Well, I was for a little bit there.
No, you got it all purpose.
I said for a little bit there, it had to kick in.
Hell, I don't even know what I was looking at a minute ago.
depending on how it act.
Yeah.
These lines might come down if it don't stop something. No, it did it back in '94.
How about we record each other? Look what he got on out in the snow.
Look what she got on out in the snow.
Yeah, I do.
Stop for let me look at the road, man.
No, you and recording.
Look at the light read. That's a catastrophe.
Yeah, waiting to happen.
I'm talking about all this junk.
Anyway.
T-Bone Records. What?
Stop.
Hey, I'm record you. You gonna record me? Green light, go.
Well, how about we record each other? Look what he got on out in the snow.
Look what she got on out in the snow.
Yeah, I do.
Stop for let me look at the road now.
Boy, you better stop.
I'll let the truck driver itself. Look at that.
Man, give me that camera. Oh, Maury.
Shouldn't be out in this junk.
Yeah. Tell me, oh, I can't stop and losing control of the car and all that shit.
Them poor people in the hospital, yeah. they ain't never seen none of this probably made.
Me neither. That's why I'm in the car with him. What you do? Call in? Stop.
That's what she do. Now she getting ready to gossip about something from another day. She had to go get spiffed all up. Tell me, let's go back home so I can get my hair hooked up.
Oh God, will you stop now? I can't even focus on what I'm doing.
And for people that not from this place,
you run over stick.
We don't get snow around here, so it ain't but 33 degrees. Probably a little hotter now because it was cooler earlier in the morning, like 29. Before the sun, well, ain't no sun, but before the sun's post came out, so it's like 33 right now. I would give it 35. Oh man, I broke my little tree down. I know my gazebo gonna get towed down. Oh man, it's tearing it up already. There's some bug. One of the fountains working snow. Let's see. Hell yeah. We got snow and water. Come on, waterfall. Look at the water. I guess this dude here froze. Come on, little guy. Damn air conditioning unit finna freeze up. Oh hell no. You already know those smart uppity, up northern type people gonna be like, y'all ain't never seen no snow before. Oh no, I gotta use my Tommy Sotomayor boy. Y'all ain't never seen no snow before. Y'all acting like it's a big deal. It is a big deal here. This place ain't made for snow. Shit breaks down here when it gets a lot of snow. Got flat roofs like this here. Look at that house for instance. Flat roof almost. It ain't made to support snow. Now that one now made to support it somewhat. We got too many trees around here. Our trees ain't made for that. They'll fall down. So I already know some people gonna get on there and be talking junk, and that's your fault. But anyway, and then
They got really still.
that's a blanket. Stuff
I know
out.
he got one. He didn't go with this far.
He drove from right there to right here. He drove across the street. That's good. Boo! Ooh.
I knew I should stop to get you. Hey!
Come here, snotty nose.
No, we don't do that. Man, I should went there Trey tried. He said
Why you getting to me? Go put it in your room.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, go put it in your room.
Pick that up. You're raising the
Hurry up, run. Go put it in your room.
shoes off.
Ooh.
You gonna let her walk around the shoes?
Come here, boo.
Come here.
She don't know what to do now.
Thank you. Take your
Come here. Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Hurry up. Hurry up. You want to eat her shoes, Ethan? They look yummy, don't they? Don't they look yummy, Ethan?
Yeah, I just made it. Should I probably been off since 1 o'clock?
Yeah, he finna eat your shoes now.
I probably been off since 1 o'clock.
We ain't getting out one of them off. Give me this one. Here. Go put them up somewhere. Put them somewhere. Somewhere. Take them somewhere else. Go ahead. Run. Ethan, go see what she's doing. You got a tablet thing going on, huh? Go get your tablet.
With Treseme's Keratin Smooth Collection, infused with marula oil, you can have smooth hair that moves with you for up to 48 hours. Tresemme puts in the work so you can work it.
Oh man, we smoking. Ooh. Well, this concludes it. As you can see, we still ate good, cooked, been drinking all day. There's no snow stop us from doing nothing. Nothing at all. We still doing what we were gonna do. So, right now it's going on 9 o'clock. And it's 34 degrees. Still got a little bit of that stuff out there on the ground. But all in all good.